In this video, I will talk about projectile motion's range that we calculated earlier, which is given by this formula, initial velocity squared times sine 2 theta. And theta is the initial angle of the velocity's direction with the horizontal, and divided by g, the gravitational constant on the Earth's surface. Now, let's think about the range here as a function of theta. And to do that, let's draw a diagram. So this diagram is the sine 2 theta as a function of angle theta starting from 0. And let's look at several special points. The first one I want to look at is the 45-degree angle, and the next one I want to think about is the 90-degree angle. Okay, so for 0-degree angle, sine 2 theta, of course, is 0 here, and for 45-degree, sine theta becomes 1. So that's 1, and that's 1 point here. And at 90-degree angle, sine theta becomes 0 again. So we're gonna get a curve, a sine curve, look like this. All right, so now think about the first the maximum value of the range R. And it happens at theta equals 45 degree when sine 2 theta equals 1. So we've got V naught squared over G. That happens at theta equals 45 degrees. Now, if I think about other values away from 1 for sine 2 theta, I can draw, let's say, a horizontal line. And this horizontal line will give us the same value here for the sine 2 theta, but it's going to have two angles that correspond to the same sine 2 theta value. And this angle, let's call it alpha, and this angle, let's call it beta. Now let's find a relation between these two angles that give us the same range. Same range. So first, let's write down how this one is possible in a mathematics equation. It means that since R alpha equals R beta, it means that sine 2 alpha equals sine 2 beta. Now this one is only possible when 2 alpha plus 2 beta equals 180 degrees. If this happens, then we have this relation true. These two angles, sine function, are equal. Or we can say alpha plus beta equals 90 degree. Okay, equals 90 degree. So that's the relation between these two angles that give us the same range. Let's look at a couple of numerical examples. Let's say alpha equals 10 degree. Then the range here will be the same as the angle beta equals 80 degree. Okay, and if alpha equals 30 degree, then beta equals 60 degree. So it's very convenient to have this conceptual understanding of the range as a function of the initial angle theta. Okay.